Hey everyone, Chris here from Moore's Jewelers. Been a while since we've shown off a casting and wanted to show off that and the print from an initial ring we made for a client's customer. The ring is on the simpler side, but it's one that the customer will most likely wear daily, so that's a positive. Up first we have the print for the ring. The piece has already been sprued, which is why it's being held up on a base. The E and outer wall are around 0.6mm tall and about 0.5mm wide. Next we have the ring cast in 14 karat yellow gold. Currently, the ring being shown has not been cleaned up yet. The ring is straight from the flask minus the sprue and button that have been clipped off. Overall, the casting came out very well, but wanted to distinguish the difference between a cleaned up cast and one right after quenching. Here you can still see some of the porous texture that comes from the surface of the investment used in the casting process. But no major blemishes or issues, so the ring should be a quick and easy cleanup for our client. The ring is pretty much finished. Our client will round out the shank where the sprue was attached, lightly buff the surface, add the final polish and detailing, and it's complete. Oh, and another detail about the ring is the backdrop. We applied our texture finish, which really helps the enamel. That's the colored ink that's added to help the E visually pop. That will be added to the pre-polishing stage, grab and hold on to the metal surface. If you are looking, or if you have a customer who is looking to have a custom piece of jewelry made, feel free to contact us today. We can fully complete the project or finish the piece up to a certain stage. We're always here to help, and thanks for watching.